A distinctive blend of sophistication and pure satisfaction. Meet the all-new Harrier. Sitting in a class of its own, it is an SUV unlike any other. With leading lines going from front to back, the Harrier's elegance and carefully constructed beauty demands attention of the highest order. One look is simply not enough to appreciate its class and sheer boldness. It is stylish as it is robust. Every inch of this refined masterpiece exudes a sense of excitement, creating a wave of pleasure for the eyes. When you step inside, you'll be greeted with an ambience of undeniable luxury. The interior has also been reimagined to stimulate all of your senses, providing unparalleled comfort to every drive. Once inside, don't forget to look up as the gorgeous panoramic moonroof allows you to see more of the world around you. Adjust its transparency or close it altogether at the push of a button. Its aesthetic expression, however, is not without substance, as the Harrier also performs admirably. Constructed with Toyota New Global Architecture, you'll experience a greater sense of control and stability. In addition, the combination of its 2-liter dynamic force engine and aerodynamic design ensures improved fuel efficiency, along with a quieter drive. No matter where you take your Harrier, drive it with a peace of mind knowing that it comes with Toyota Safety Sense, a host of safety features that elevate your driving experience. Savor its beauty, indulge in its elegance, feel the presence of the all-new Harrier.